Welcome, dear Wanderers of Tranquility. Begin by finding a comfortable space. Nestle into the quiet. The world outside can wait for these 7 minutes. Inhale deeply, pulling in peace and serenity from the universe. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension or worries. Do this a few more times. Feel the rhythm of your breath as it gently ebbs and flows. Now, imagine standing in a beautiful, lush forest. The vibrant colors of nature surround you. The leaves rustle softly, whispering secrets of tranquility to the wind. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting a warm, dappled glow on the forest floor. Feel the texture of the bark of a nearby tree, rough yet comforting. Smell the fresh, earthy scent of nature. Hear the gentle chirping of birds, a symphony of life all around you. Allow for a brief moment of silence. Now picture a serene stream meandering through the forest. The clear, sparkling water gently trickles over smooth pebbles, creating a soothing melody. Dip your toes into the cool water. Feel the current lightly tickling your skin. Imagine releasing your worries into this stream. Watch as they float away, becoming smaller and smaller until they vanish from sight. Brief pause for reflection. Now let your mind drift to a tranquil beach. The sand is soft and warm beneath your feet. The ocean is a beautiful shade of blue, stretching out as far as the eye can see. Hear the rhythmic lullaby of the waves gently caressing the shore. Feel the cool, salty breeze on your face. Taste the tang of the ocean in the air. Imagine yourself walking towards the water, leaving footprints in the sand. With each step, feel lighter, freer. Brief pause for reflection. As our journey draws to a close, take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to nurture your mind and spirit. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the floor beneath you, the air around you. Take one last deep breath, holding on to the peace and tranquility you've cultivated. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this serenity with you as you step back into the world outside, knowing that you can return to this tranquil place anytime you wish. Thank you for joining this journey of tranquility. Until next time, breathe easy and stay serene.